ChatGPT was used to predict the crazy trends in the year 2030. Now get ready to take a sneak peek into your future. In just a few minutes, we're diving into the wildest predictions for the year 2030. Things that will blow your mind. From tech breakthroughs to societal shifts, you won't believe what's coming next. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence will be as common in 2030 as smartphones are today. Expect AI personal assistants handling everything from medical diagnoses to legal advice, and even AI-powered therapists available on demand. Quantum computing will revolutionize industries, unleashing faster problem-solving capabilities in medicine, finance, and cybersecurity. Think drug discovery in days, rather than years. Welcome to the age of smart cities. By 2030, many urban areas will run on autonomous energy grids, have intelligent traffic management, and offer personalized public services tailored to your needs. The office? What office? By 2030, most of us will be working from anywhere in the world, thanks to VR offices and advanced collaboration tools. The rise of digital nomadism will change how and where we work forever. With gene editing technologies like CRISPR, we'll be able to cure diseases, slow aging, and maybe even enhance human capabilities. Living longer, healthier lives is on the horizon. Mental health awareness will skyrocket, with AI-driven therapies and innovative treatments like neurostimulation or virtual reality for mental well-being. Fossil fuels? Their history. By 2030, renewable energy will dominate the grid, with solar, wind, and next-gen batteries powering most of the world. Climate change will force us to innovate in unexpected ways, from ocean cleaning technologies to carbon capture breakthroughs. This is the decade where the planet fights back. And here's where we become fortune tellers. Some rapid-fire bonus predictions for 2030. 1. Autonomous flying taxis. 2. Space tourism for the rich. 3. Brain-to-machine interfaces that let you control tech with your thoughts. And who knows, maybe even the first Martian colony. The future is closer than you think. So, what's your opinion? Will these crazy predictions come true by 2030? Or perhaps you want to share your own with us. What are your wild visions of the future? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more future-related content. Stay tuned, because the future is now. So don't blink. You might miss something.